Hi, 你好. This is LaogeChinese. Just for Chinese beginners, 我是老哥. Do you know how to say hello in Chinese and how to introduce yourself in Chinese? Well, just subscribe to our channel and give me a like. Thanks. 谢谢. Here we go. When we meet a new person, we say hi to them and introduce ourselves. We say 你好. 你好. 你好 means hello. Okay, if it is possible that when you say yellow characters in our video, you can read after me. Just have a try. 你 means you. 好 it literally means well, okay, or fine. Put them together. 你好. So 你好, it's like saying I bet you're doing great today. Let's see some examples.
你好，
你好，
你好，你好，你好，
你好，你好，你好，
哎，你好，你好，
你好。
Did you notice that the tones for 你 and 好? Well, ladies and gentlemen, attention please. There's the most important knowledge point. Usually there are 4 tones in Chinese. First tone high, ah. Second tone rising, ah. Third tone turning, ah. And fourth tone falling, ah. Ah, 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 ah. Here, 你好. They're pronounced in the third tone when spoken individually. Read after me. 你好. But it doesn't sound the same when we put them together. It's pronounced like this. 你好. 你好. I find that a lot of foreigners pronounce like this. 你好. 你好. Forget about it. Attention please again. There are 2 third tones together here. 你好. The first one, 你, has to turn into the second tone. 你. But it's still written as a third one. Just read after me. 你好. You're doing great. 你好. 老哥 tips. As you know, there are more and more Chinese learning English. If you forget how to say 你好, you may say hey or hello instead of 你好. We can understand it. Okay, everybody, congratulations. You can say hello in Chinese now. Then, let's introduce yourself in Chinese. Please subscribe and like. I do appreciate it. 非常感谢. There are 2 parts in the Chinese name. Surname or family name plus given name. It is different from English name. The first part of Chinese name is the family name, and the given name goes after the family name. The family name is more likely 1 character. Usually, the given name has 1 or 2 characters. For example, do you know Bruce Lee? He's a very famous kung fu star. Actually, his Chinese name is Li Xiaolong. Li is his family name. Xiaolong is his given name. Literally, it means little dragon. Another movie star, Jackie Chan. Do you know him? But he doesn't know you. Chenglong. Yes. Chenglong is his Chinese name. Cheng is his family name. Long is his given name. Literally, it means he wants to be a dragon. If my name's Lily, So which one is my family name or given name? Yes, you're right. My family name is Li. My given name is Lei. Here are two ways to introduce yourself. Number one, 我姓. 我姓. I, family name to be. Number two, 我叫. 我叫. I, to be called. 我 is the subject, while 姓 or 叫 here is the verb of the sentence. My name is Li Lei. How can I introduce my family name? 我姓李. 我姓李. I, family name to be. 李. 我姓李. My given name is Lei. If Jackie Chan wants to introduce his family name, what would he say? 我姓程. 我姓程. My family name is Cheng. I, family name to be Cheng. My given name is Long. Now, would you like to tell me your Chinese family name? If you don't have one, just say it in your own language. 我姓. 我姓 plus your family name. Wonderful! 非常棒. The other way to introduce yourself, 我叫. You can use it either your full name or your given name after it. For example, Bruce Lee wants to introduce his full name. What would he say? 我叫李小龙. 我叫李小龙. I to be called 李小龙. My name is 李小龙. Or plus his given name. 我叫小龙. 老哥 tips. Usually we say 我叫 plus the given name, right? But there's one exception. My name is Li Lei. The given name is Lei. Only one character. If your given name is like mine, only one character, you cannot introduce yourself with your given name only. I have to say 我叫李雷 with my full name, or 我叫雷雷 with my nickname, which are two characters. Usually 叫 should be followed by two characters. Now you can introduce your given name with a sentence. 我叫 Please say it in your own language as well. 我叫 plus your given name. My given name is. Congratulations! We've learned two ways to introduce ourselves. 我姓 我叫 Let me introduce myself one more time and then you can introduce yourself. 你好，我姓李，我叫李雷。Now suppose you are going to China and meeting me. Can you say hi to me and introduce yourself? This time without pinyin. 你好，我姓李，我叫李雷。 Your turn now. Fabulous. 厉害。我姓。我姓。Your family name. 我叫。我叫。Your given name. Got it? Okay, let's make a quick review. 你 you 好 good well okay fine 你好 hello hi. Don't forget turn 你 into the second tone. 你好我 I me first person pronounce 姓 family name to be 叫 to be called 我姓 my family name is 我叫 my full name or given name is. Ladies and gentlemen, did you get all of them? I think you are doing great. 非常棒. If you want to learn more useful and standard Chinese with 老哥, don't forget subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks a lot again. 谢谢你们 and see you next time. 再见，拜拜。